Hi there, I want to welcome you to the My Web Audit Early Adopter Program. Thank you for signing up to get early access to some of our newest and best features and to provide feedback to shape the future of our product. So, I wanted to let you know, as promised, in November, we are releasing two new features to the early adopter program. The first one is being able to connect Google Analytics to be able to get some key insights as part of your website audit. And the other one is the new view comparison audit report, which allows you to compare two different audits from different time periods to be able to articulate areas of improvement or decline so that you can sell more of your retainer services, whether that be part of a care plan or ad hoc services for page performance or on-site SEO. All right. So, for example, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Google Analytics to an audit you've already done. So first you run an audit. Once the audit is completed, then all you do, I'm going to go ahead and keep this in a new tab. What you do is you go in and connect a Google Analytics account. Here, I'm going to go ahead and disconnect this just so you can see how it would look like if you were coming into this application. So you would click Add Google Analytics Account, and then it will authenticate through here. Once you authenticate with your Google Analytics account, it will then look to see if it can find the domain. So in this case, it can find it was able to find a domain in my analytics account. Otherwise, I could pick I could in essence pick other properties that were under my name here, right? But in this case, we don't need to worry about that because this is already connected. If I click select property, then what it's going to do is going to send an API call to Google Analytics and connect, in essence, my analytics data with my report, my audit report. All right. In the event that you need to resync data, then you would just click this button. So now I'm going to go ahead and view the report. And whether you're in presentation view or you export information out, you will now see the Google Analytics report. Oops. At the end. Here we have several different key metrics at the end, things from website, key performance indicators to top referral sources. So this way, when you're going to speak to them, you can quickly look and talk to them about what matters, identify the channels that are sending them traffic. You're able to talk to them about the content efficiency, where the top pieces of content are coming from, what are the bounce rates, ultimately what's the worst content. This helps with redesign or looking at areas of improvement where they may think that they have an important page, but it's really getting no traffic. And then obviously things like devices when you're talking about responsive, and location where people are coming from. All right. So that's in essence how you can connect your Google Analytics to a domain and get some quick insights that you can leverage during your consultation sessions. Then the second feature that we've rolled out is the comparison report. What the comparison report does is, again, it allows you to quickly analyze where you were at a specific period of time versus now. So first you want to look at where I am today. So I'm going to look at an audit from 11/5, and then I'm going to compare it to 10/19 and click compare. And now I can see that there's been an improvement of 17 points on the user experience, 57 points under conversion optimization. In as far as SEO goes, it's about the same. And then performance and security, it's gone up 6 points. All right. And so let me see here. I think this had some lorem ipsum. So this is something we're working on right now. We'll have that updated. But then again, quickly here, you can see in essence that we have three different tabs. The first one is improvements. This shows you where the customer was, or your prospect or customer was when you initially ran the audit at 10/19, and now we can see that all these areas have now been addressed. As far as recommended items go, these are areas that still need improvement, right? So they have always they've either failed and then, or passed and then failed, or they've just not been worked on. So then ultimately you can see that there is decline, for example, in page speed, so page speed still needs to be addressed. And then obviously if you want to look at items that have not changed at all, then you can in essence take a look at this and see what's neutral. Okay, so again, we have the improvements tab, the recommendation tab, and then the no changes. For most people, the use case of comparison report would be to, in essence, month to month, maybe show your clients where you're taking them if they're on a retainer plan versus them paying you thousands of dollars just to fix all the problems up front, right? So those that users that use care plans, this is a great way to show them, in essence, a comparison report of where they were to where they are now and what they still need to work on. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Again, you can send emails to support@myweboudit.com or use the in-app chat to connect with us here at any given time and share your feedback. All right, we thank you very much and have a great day. Cheers.